Welcome to WisdomStory, your go-to channel for enlightening teachings and deep insights. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss an update. And if you enjoy our content, please give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Let's spread the wisdom together. Today we are diving into a fascinating aspect of Buddhist teachings, the significance of moles on your body. You may think these small marks are just random, but in many traditions, including Buddhism, they hold deep meanings about our personality, past life, and destiny. Curious to know more? Stay with us till the end to uncover what these moles reveal about you. In the teachings of Buddhism, moles on our bodies are often seen as reflections of our karmic journeys. These small, seemingly insignificant marks can provide insights into our past lives, our current state of being, and even our future potential. Let's delve deeper into some of these interpretations. Forehead. Forehead. A mole located on the forehead, especially in the center, is often associated with wisdom and a deep connection to spiritual realms. It's believed to signify a person who has accumulated great knowledge and insight, possibly from past lives. Such individuals are often drawn to philosophical pursuits and have a natural ability to understand complex spiritual concepts. In some traditions, a central forehead mole is also seen as an indication of good fortune and prosperity. Eyes and eyebrows. A mole near the eye can indicate a perceptive and insightful nature. These individuals are thought to have a keen sense of intuition and the ability to see through deception. If the mole is located at the end of the eyebrow, it is often seen as a sign of wealth and prosperity. Such a position suggests that the person will accumulate wealth through hard work and intelligence. However, a mole under the eye may indicate emotional struggles and a sensitive nature, as this area is closely linked to one's emotional expression. Cheeks and nose. Moles on the cheeks can vary in meaning. A mole on the right cheek is often linked to sociability and popularity, suggesting a person who is well-liked and charismatic. In contrast, a mole on the left cheek might indicate a more introverted nature, someone who values privacy and personal space. Meanwhile, a mole on the nose is frequently associated with passion and impulsiveness. This placement may suggest a person who is adventurous and spontaneous, perhaps even prone to taking risks. Mouth and lips. A mole near the mouth, particularly on the lips, is often considered a sign of eloquence and a persuasive nature. Such individuals are believed to have the gift of gab, capable of charming and convincing others with their words. In some interpretations, a mole on the upper lip indicates a person who enjoys luxury and fine things in life, while a mole on the lower lip may suggest someone who is kind and compassionate, with a love for good food and company. Neck and shoulders. Moles on the neck are often seen as indicators of responsibility and reliability. People with such moles are thought to be dependable and trustworthy, often shouldering responsibilities willingly. If a mole is situated on the nape of the neck, it might indicate a person who is connected to their past, perhaps carrying forward some karmic debts or blessings. A mole on the shoulders can signify a burden bearer, someone who takes on challenges with resilience and strength. Hands and arms. A mole on the right hand, as mentioned earlier, is a sign of leadership and action. These individuals are doers, often taking initiative and leading others. On the left hand, it may indicate a more introspective and nurturing nature, suggesting someone who is thoughtful and caring. Moles on the arms, especially on the upper arms, are considered signs of hard work and perseverance. Such individuals are often seen as diligent and committed to their goals. Chest and abdomen. A mole on the chest can indicate strong emotions and passion. It suggests a person who is deeply connected to their feelings and may have a compassionate heart. Meanwhile, a mole on the abdomen, particularly around the navel, is often associated with abundance and fertility. This placement may suggest a life filled with prosperity and joy. Specifically, Moles around the navel are believed to be particularly auspicious in terms of wealth. Such moles are said to attract financial stability and success, indicating that the person may experience great material prosperity in their life. The closer the mole is to the navel, the more significant the potential for financial gain. Back and legs. Moles on the back can indicate a person who carries hidden burdens or responsibilities. They may have a strong sense of duty but prefer to work behind the scenes. A mole on the legs, particularly on the thighs, is often seen as a sign of a traveler or someone who has a deep desire for exploration and movement. It suggests a person who enjoys discovering new places and experiences. These interpretations, while intriguing, are part of a broader spiritual and cultural understanding. They offer a unique perspective on our physical and spiritual selves, reminding us that every mark on our body can have a deeper meaning. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey. Remember, the marks on our body can be more than just physical traits. They can be spiritual symbols guiding us through life's path. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a comment below sharing your thoughts and experiences. Have you noticed any significant moles on your body? What do they mean to you? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Wisdom Story for more fascinating insights into Buddhist teachings and spirituality. Until next time, stay curious and keep seeking wisdom.